The updated Geely Atlas will be built on the new modular CMA platform, on the basis of which Geely Tagella and Geely Manjaro cars will be assembled. After changing the platform, the crossover will get new dimensions. Its length will be 4,670 mm, width 1,900 mm, height 1,705 mm. The wheelbase will be 2,777 mm. In the domestic market of China, the car is available under the Geely Atlas name. The basic versions are offered with a 1.5-litre turbo engine, 181 horsepower and 290 Nm of torque, and the top trim is offered with a more powerful 2.0-litre power unit, 218 horsepower and 325 Nm of torque. Both engines are connected to a 7-speed robotic gearbox. Also, the Chinese version of the second-generation Atlas offers a hybrid version with an electric motor, 136 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque, and a 3-range 3-cylinder engine, 150 horsepower and 225 Nm of torque. DHT hybrid transmission. The total power of this crossover is 245 horsepower and 545 Nm of torque. Fuel consumption is 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers. As for the selected car, the Geely Atlas will be exclusively front-wheel drive. The big look of the new generation will change to a more aggressive one with more bumpers at the front and rear and a modified design of the lights. In addition, the all-wheel drive Geely Atlas uses a hybrid system in addition to a starter generator, a converter and a 48-volt lithium-ion battery. The battery has automatic charging, which occurs during operation or braking. In addition, the system is equipped with a start/stop option and is more market-responsive, fuel-efficient, up to 15% on average. In the basic configuration, the car has halogen low and high beam headlights, LED daytime running lights and turn signals, fog and rear combination lights. The side mirror housings are painted in body color, with decorative carbon fiber trim and roof rails. Geely Atlas 2024 is equipped with a single-chip Snapdragon 8155 system, Galaxy OS 2.0 car operating system, and is also more economical. The car supports firmware on-air technology, which allows you to easily update the software over the air. Inside, the new product is equipped with a 10.25-inch LCD instrument panel display and a 13.2-inch central control display with 2K resolution. Comfort in the salon is provided by the climate control system with automatic maintenance of the set temperature, heating of seats and steering wheel, 8-speaker audio system, atmospheric lighting, 42 colors, as well as the Easy Connection smartphone connection system. The list of options also includes electric tailgate function, wireless charging, all-round visibility system, intelligent climate control, automatic emergency braking system, lane control function and more. The interior features leather-trimmed multi-steering wheel, cloth seats and door panels, air conditioning, heated first-row seats, 7-inch digital instrument panel and 10.25-inch touchscreen multimedia with Bluetooth and 6 speakers. Convenience options include a rear-view camera, cruise control with speed limiter, remote engine start with a button, etc. There are 8 rear seats. Even on long trips, your companions will be as comfortable as possible. A flat floor without a transmission tunnel, legroom and rear headroom allow even 190 cm tall adults to be comfortably accommodated. A 60-inch panoramic roof opens up familiar routes from an unusual angle. The interior of the 2024 Atlas is more futuristic. The crossover has an original front panel architecture, which makes the latter different from what we have seen on other models. The only detail we can see from competitors is a vertical 13.2-inch diagonal tablet for the multimedia system. It supports 5G communication and the ability to update software over the air. The list of equipment includes Level 2 Autopilot, which includes adaptive cruise control with lane keeping and traffic sign recognition functions.